What if LucasArts never abandoned adventure games after 2000? Instead of focusing solely on Star Wars titles, they kept pushing narrative-driven games forward. Modern technology would have evolved adventure games into mainstream blockbusters, not niche curiosities. Telltale Games would never have existed because there was no market gap to fill. The entire indie adventure renaissance of the 2000s and the 10s simply wouldn't have happened. Ron Gilbert would have continued Monkey Island without interruption, creating dozens more classics. Point-and-click interfaces would have naturally evolved for touchscreens years earlier. Adventure game mechanics would have shaped modern AAA titles completely differently. Today's gaming landscape would prioritize storytelling over action sequences. Games like Call of Duty and Grand Theft Auto might never have dominated the market. Instead, narrative-driven experiences would define what we consider a video game. The entire industry would be fundamentally story-focused rather than action-oriented. One company's decision changed gaming forever.